All right, good fellas. We're inside Juan Madman Melendez workshop. Doing a quick review. This one will be for these Castle connectors for your ESE and your batteries. I'm going to give them a try. I was running the Traxxas end on all of my stuff. I'm starting to switch now because I've noticed that they're becoming a pain in the butt when they keep coming unsoldered and coming off, and the tabs are never right. So we're going to try these out, see how it goes, and here we go. So I got the ESE done now. There's the plug. I'm working on the batteries now. And I use this little 2x4 here. Drill some holes in it. Whatever size you need for the ends, just to keep them nice and tight. Stick them in there. There you go. You can solder. You're done. They come out. Good to go. You kind of got to slide these covers over the wire before you solder. They're labeled negative and positive, of course. And they are slotted so they go in a certain way. Now I'm going to solder the battery. All right, so here we go. And is on. So you can see if it'll focus, plus negative. The ends are in there. Ends are in the ESE, ready to go. Castle Creations, Castle connectors. It comes with a 3-pack, 3 batteries, and 3 ESEs. And that's all I got for you guys for now. Thank you for watching, and as always, good fellas for life. And just to test the fitting, I'm going to plug her in.